What is up, guys? Techni24 here, back with another unboxing of the new Echo Show 5 from Amazon. So I was able to get my hands on it as a pre-order on the camera that I ordered, which was, it was a pretty good deal during the Prime Day and everything. I don't really know much of the differences. I'm guessing it's probably a better processing system that they have in there, better processor, and I'd assume it's definitely a better camera. Now, as we look into the box, you can see there's not going to be much. I think Amazon is moving to their, simple packaging system and everything, which you could definitely appreciate. There's not much hassle, just the item and everything set up online. Just the big push. Now, one thing you definitely notice is this audio adapter definitely looks bigger. It is still the same watt rated. It is still 15 watts, as when I was comparing it to the last generation adapter that I have with the Echo Show 5. So I guess that is kind of disappointing because the last adapter was definitely smaller. And let's get to it. It definitely looks the same. The first thing I definitely notice is the fact that aux jack is missing. As you see from the front, there doesn't seem to be much difference. When I was testing it after, it looked like the display was slightly brighter, maybe a little bit better quality, but these things are meant to run, 24/7 attached to the power outlet, so I don't know. But as you can see, compared to the last generation, which I have on top, it's missing an aux jack. Other than that, I'm like the button for the camera, and as well as the camera, before it was a circle, now it's a square, which I don't really think anyone cares about. Other than that, what else? It does feel a little bit heftier. I don't have a scale to measure it directly. As you can see, the right side is a gray, but I'm definitely a little bit disappointed because I do not rely on aux cords that much, but a lot of my friends do that are connected to the system, so it's kind of a little bit disappointing, but maybe they will sell you something else. So thumbs up if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe,